All right, guys, seen some huge benefits of Ceramic Pro on our matte white. So check this out. This is right next to the wheel, hasn't been washed in a month. Just sprayed some water on it and wiped it down, basically doing this. And one side's stained, the other side's not. Huge difference between the two sides. So if you're getting a matte white color, you gotta get Ceramic Pro. Look at the difference on these two sides as far as that level of dirtiness. This is so much grungier looking than the other side. Huge difference in the cleanliness of our coated versus uncoated sides. With our matte, if I do this, they both look identical. Just keep in mind that for customers. The only way they're actually going to see this is if they see an actual perfect 50-50. If they don't, that color is identical, but we are seeing some fading on this side here. And then on our Expel Stealth, seeing a big difference as far as that the amount of metallics and everything that pop underneath the surface, and also the blue. So this is the actual color of the car, and this is the kind of more of a frosty look. And if you desire your customer to actually kind of have that color and the metallics in their paint show through and still be a satin, then definitely have them get the Ceramic Pro PPF on that. And then really love this KPMF purple, and the sun difference is much larger, but you can see a big difference between the two sides as far as that clarity. So yeah, all of our gloss colors here are popping more and they're staying cleaner. This is the blue. Look at how much dirtier the uncoated side is. And then this is pretty huge here. Check this out. One side just absorbs into the surface, and the other side beads up on top. Big difference there. But my favorite right now that I'm seeing is, so this door is coated, this one's not. They look the same, right? Cool. Well, on our horizontal surfaces, seeing a massive difference between the fading on those. So this is all faded, that's unprotected versus protected. So big difference as far as the how those surfaces look. Obviously still very matte here, but look at the difference there between the two sides. So we've seen a lot of fading damage on this after only about 3.5 months, which this film is reported to 4 months as kind of a max on some of it. But anyways, thanks for watching.